So we get a lot of questions as to what's happening in the market right now, and we're going to take a step back and just basically give you a quick economics 101 as it pertains to supply versus demand, what interest rates have to do with anything, and kind of what we're seeing right now in the marketplace. Hey everybody, John Newman with the Newman Group at Keller Williams Flagship of Maryland. This is just a very simple a chart right here. And what we're seeing right now is interest rates starting to increase. Well, as interest rates increase, the percent of income that has to be applied towards housing is also increasing. So 3 months ago, rates were at 3%. I'm buying a $400,000 house. Let's just say that maybe 20% of my income was applied towards my housing payment. Now we're seeing rates in the low fives. Substantially more of my income is having to be applied towards housing. What we call that is the Housing Affordability Index. And we're seeing the Housing Affordability Index actually decline. Housing as a whole is becoming less affordable to the average American right now. What we tend to see that happen is demand starting to soften. So demand for housing is slowing down slightly. It's not gone. It's just starting to slow down a little bit. So regardless of what market we're in, homeowners are typically buying houses for emotional reasons. We don't have a short-term time horizon. We have a long-term time horizon. So whether or not rates are at 5.5% or 6.5%, in the long scheme, it shouldn't make much of a difference if you plan on being in a house for 7 to 12 years, which is the average American citizen. Regardless of what rates are doing, we're going to see a tale of two markets here. And we have a certain percentage of housing. Every consumer wants to find the best house at the best price, in the best condition and location. We say those houses are in the market. Now, houses that are overpriced or in not so favorable condition are out of the market. No matter where interest rates are or what values are doing or what the inventory is doing, there's always a certain percentage of houses that are in the market, and those properties will always be in demand. It doesn't make a difference. I remember back in 2007, 2008, houses that were in the market, some of them were still receiving multiple offers in a short amount of time. So if you're thinking about buying a house, keep in mind that you want to find the best house at the best price, in the best location, in the best condition. Well, so does everybody else. So be prepared that if you're buying a house, even if we see more inventory on the market, there's only a few houses that are in the market, so be prepared for competitive offers. If you're thinking about selling a house, make sure your house is the best house at the best price, in the best condition, in the best location. And it won't make a difference what market you're in, because your house will always be in the market. So that's it for June's monthly market update. If you have any additional questions, reach out to one of our agents or visit us at www.thinknewman.com.